Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's Donna, your Pampered Chef again, and Jamie asked me to go live once again and show how I make my specialty coffee. There are several ways to make it. I'm going to show you today how to make it with just your milk on the bottom and your whipped cream on the top, and how I go about this using the Pampered Chef whipped cream maker. So I started off with a coffee cup with 3/4 of a cup of my almond coconut milk. You can use half and half, you can use low-fat milk, you can use whatever you want, but you want that to be hot. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee. It could be decaf, it could be regular coffee, whatever you want, but it has to be instant because the regular coffee will not dissolve in with the cold whipped cream. So you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of coffee, and then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. And it has to be hot water because that's how it will dissolve. Next, you're going to add your heavy cream. So you're going to add about 1 cup. If you want to have it stronger, you'll put less. But I'm going to make this almost 1 cup, so I have some for later. And that's it. And as you can see, it's already changed its color. See? And obviously, if you want it to be stronger, you're going to put more coffee. You put your cover on, you twist it, and you pump for about 30 seconds. You will be able to feel the tension, so you'll know when it's ready. So already I'm starting to feel the tension. And the thicker you want it, the more you're going to keep pumping. So I'll show you just so you can see where it's at right now. I'm probably going to pump it for a couple more seconds because I want it a little bit thicker. So I think I pumped that for about 20 seconds. So I'm going to go about 10 more seconds. Pretty much it, guys. Look at that. How beautiful. You're going to take your spoon, you're going to take your whipped cream, and you're going to pour it in. And this is how you make your specialty coffee. Put a little bit of cinnamon. And look at that. Yummy, yummy. I think you guys can see how beautiful that looks. All right, there you go, Jamie. I hope you got it this time. Have a good day, guys. Stay safe, wash your hands, and practice social distancing.